us? Oh, shoot. See, at least somebody has something to do in Bow Island.
Ooh, there's Kyle's car.
Kyla. Just go down that way. Go down past it. Ricky! Put up. Don't be creep. How to be a creep. Holy shit. No, go over there. Holy fucking hell. Let's switch the creep that way. Let's see the kids. Fireworks for my birthday. Come on. I'm gonna do that for more. You know that else. I'm gonna do more. These are totally good on Facebook or YouTube. YouTube, because they had no sound.
What the fuck? Facebook has sound? What are you talking about?
I'm gonna pause it.
Facebook has sound? That's why we can hear the scream.
Oh, yes. Is it YouTube? Are you serious? Is that all there is? I'm like scared that they're gonna come after us, or the car with I think they're done. No. Oh. Put your window. Put your window down.
It is down. What?
They're behind the hill.
Oh, they can see us.
Hello. Oh. Yoo-hoo. Oh.
I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna upload it from mobile.
Yeah, me too. Like, haha. Why not? Chance. Oh, are you kidding me? I just lost that video because Chance texted me.
It doesn't save. Oh, there they go. I'm doing it.
Don't. Whee! Let's go. We're being creeped. I think they already got the good stuff. Please, before they come after us with the fireworks. Where's the feet?